So I need good people who can read properly. Okay, beta? Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. So we are at the end of the chapter regarding sea breeze and land breeze. This is the last part of the chapter, lesson number 4, heat. So now we are going to study regarding sea breeze and land breeze. First, we will start with the sea breeze.
Okay, ma'am.
Start with. Start working, beta. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Sea breeze. During the day, the land gets heated faster than the sea. So the air above the land gets heated, becomes hotter, and rises up, and cool air from the sea moves towards the land. This is called sea breeze.
Okay. What did you
Land
understand
breeze.
from here? What did you understand from here? Hello. What did you understand from here?
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Now?
Now
Hello,
it's
now?
okay.
Okay. So what did you understand? That what happening in the daytime? This is land. This is land, and this is sea. Right, beta?
Yes.
Daytime. So if I say compared to land and sea, which one gets heated faster? During daytime?
Land.
Land, obviously. So land has got more heat, right? LH, I will write LH. So the air, hot air will move up, right, Peter? Hot air will
Yes.
move up. And cold air, cold air will come to the land. Am I right?
Yes.
The cold air comes from the sea. So see, there's a vacuum created. There is no space over here because it has gone up. It's a vacuum. There's nothing. So there's a pressure created which pulls the cold air from the sea, right, beta? And then we get the breeze. What we get? Breeze. Movement of air from sea to the land. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is sea breeze. Simple. Is there any problem?
No.
You understood all of you? Now we come to the land breeze. You should just understand the fundamental. Then no problem. Then you will never get confused. Yes, now we will do land breeze.
Land breeze. During the night, sea cools down slowly than the land. So the hot air about the sea rises up and cool air from the land moves towards the sea. This is called land breeze.
Thank you. Now night time. What is happening? The land is getting cooler or the sea is getting cooler.
Land.
The land cools faster than the sea. Sea takes a lot of time to cool down. So they are cooling down very slowly. So whose temperature is more than the land? Sea temperature is more than the land, right, beta? Sea temperature is more than the land during night time. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes. So now see over here. So at night time, this temperature is more. So the hot air rises up, right, beta? And the cool air from the land comes to the sea. So land is coming to the sea. So this is called as land breeze. So land breeze you observe at night and sea breeze you observe in the daytime. Is this clear?
Yes.
Don't get confused. Again, I repeat, this is the easiest way I can show you. This is daytime. So this is land and this is sea. Right, beta? Hello? Daytime. This is land and this is sea. So warm air is rising up. This is what you should remember. Warm air rises up. So that means from the sea, it is coming to the land. So this is sea breeze. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now we'll see night time. Warm air rises up on the sea, from the sea. So obviously, from the land, it is coming to the sea. So it is land breeze. Simple. Land to sea at night time, sea to land daytime. Sea breeze daytime, land breeze night time. Is this clear? Hello. Girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
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 Have you understood all of you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. You do two, three times, you will understand better. Again, in a diagrammatic manner, I'm showing you. Daytime, the land gets heated. Yes, beta? The warm air goes up and we get the sea breeze. Do you agree?
Yes.
At night time, the sea air rises up. The sea. The sea air rises up. The land breeze comes to the sea. So what is this? Land breeze. What is this called as? Land breeze. Is this clear? This is the movement of air, either from sea to land or land to sea. If it is moving towards it, that becomes a breeze. For example, it is moving from sea, this is moving from sea to land. So sea to land. Right, beta? So this sea breeze. This is land to sea. So this is land breeze. So you should understand this one. The first word, that becomes the breeze. Land, that becomes the breeze. Is it clear? From where to where it is going, then it becomes easy for you to understand and learn. Okay? Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Same way here. In the morning, what is happening? Hot air rises, and over here, cool air takes its place. Right, beta? This is the cycle which goes on. This is during the daytime. And during night time, it's a lake or something of that sort, or it's a reservoir of water. Warm air goes up during the night time. And later, the air falls to the ground and the cycle completes. This is actually monsoon, how the rain takes place. In the daytime, you can see the maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius and the water temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. But at the night time, the land temperature is 11 degrees Celsius and the water temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. That's what we have learned, remember? Because you know that the water temperature comes down very slowly during night time as compared to the land. Again, the same thing in a different manner. Please read. See, please. Read, beta.
Can I read?
Okay, beta.
Truly, Aish.
Ah, beta. Read. You know what I should say? You people sound so cute. Like it's a ringing voice in my ears when you speak. All of you. I'm not, like pointing out or singling out. All of you have got very sweet voice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Always.
Can
Read,
I
beta.
start now?
Yeah. Why not?
Sea breeze. Air moves from the sea during
Be
the
a bit
day.
louder, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Air moves from the sea during the day.
Okay. So we go one by one. This is the ocean and this is the land, right, beta?
Yes,
Right? Okay. Now we'll go one by one. So from the land, what is happening? Warm air is rising, right, beta?
yes,
Yes. Okay. Then it goes up. Then it goes up. Yes. Yes or no? And when it
yes,
goes up, the temperature reduces. And then it comes down because it has become heavy. So it is descending cool air. Because cool air has to have water vapor, isn't it, beta? Then only it will be cool air. If the air does not have water, it will be hot. When the air gets water, it cools down, isn't it, beta? But when the air gets water, it becomes heavy. So it comes down. So it descends. And then it falls where? In the ocean. So the movement of air from the sea to the land, it is called as sea to land. Right, beta? What it is known as
yes,
sea breeze. Is this clear?
yes,
All of you?
yes, ma'am.
Another way of showing you sea breeze. Just see, have a look at the picture. You can see the arrow. From sea, it is coming to land. So what I will write? Sea to land. Right, beta? Yes? Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, can I continue?
Yes, beta, you continue.
Okay, ma'am. The wind blowing from the sea towards the land is called sea breeze.
What
During
we
the
learned?
daytime,
Sea to land. Right, beta?
yes,
So what first word is sea. This is how you have to learn. Sea to land, sea breeze. Land to sea, land breeze. Is it understandable?
yes.
This is how you have to learn. Next.
During the daytime, the land in the coastal area gets heated due to the sun's radiation. The sea also gets heated, however, it takes more time to get heated up than the land.
Now, the wind from the sea towards the land that we saw just now, that is called sea breeze, right, beta? And when it is happening, when it is happening, beta?
Daytime,
Daytime.
daytime, daytime.
Daytime, what happens? The land gets heated, right, beta? Why?
Yes,
Due to sun rays. The land gets heated due to sun rays in the daytime. Is this clear? Is this
yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes,
Compared to the land, even the sea is also getting heated, but it is getting heated slowly. As compared to land, sea is getting heated slowly. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
It's another way of showing you sea breeze. This is land and this is water. The red one is land and this is sea, right? So
Yes.
the air is going up and sea to land. Is it understandable? So we get the sea
Yes.
breeze during daytime. Read better.
Okay, ma'am. Hence, the air above the land gets heated faster than the air above the sea. The hot air from the land rises above as it is lighter and cool
Lighter.
air lighter. Sorry, ma'am. Lighter and the cool air from the sea being heavier takes its place. This results in the sea breeze.
We already know that hot air from the land goes up as compared to the hot air above the sea. Why it is going up? Because it is lighter and the heavier cool air from the sea takes its place. And then there's a breeze moving from the sea to the land during the daytime known as sea breeze. Right, beta? Now we'll talk about land breeze. Continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Land breeze. Air moves from the land at night.
So you know that what is happening at night now? From the land, the air moves towards the sea. Right, beta?
Yes. Land breeze. The wind blowing from the land towards the sea is called the land breeze. During the night time, the land in the coastal areas gets cooled down faster than the sea. The air above the sea is hotter than the air above the land. Therefore, the air above the sea rises, and the air from the land being cool flows towards the sea. This results in the land breeze.
Thank you, beta. What is land breeze? I told you already. Land to sea. Agree? All of you agree?
Yes.
The movement is from land to sea. And when it is happening, when is it happening, beta? Hello, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
When is it happening? When this land breeze happens, beta? What time does it happen?
Daytime.
Land breeze. Daytime is over.
Night
You
time.
finish with the sea
Night
breeze.
time,
This is
night
night
time.
time, beta. This is night time. I've already written it over there.
Time.
I thought you will look at it. Okay, does not matter. So land breeze is night time, sea breeze is daytime. This is how you have to recollect. So the wind is blowing from the land towards the sea. This is how you have to remember. So it is called as land breeze. So what is the first one? Land towards the sea, so land breeze. Is it understandable? Yes, children? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
Yes.
understood what I said just now?
Yes.
When it is happening? When is it happening?
Night time.
So the land gets cooled down faster as compared to the sea. Is this clear? The land is cooling faster than the sea. So what is happening? Air above the sea is hotter as compared to the air above the land, right, beta? So what happens? From the sea, the air rises now. In the morning, the air was rising from the land, above the land. But at night time, the air above the sea will rise because that is hotter than the land. What happens? Air above the sea rises, and air from the land is cool, right, beta? What it does? It flows towards the sea. What comes? Land breeze. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See over here. The arrow is from land to sea. This is land moving to sea. Which is this breeze? Land. Is this okay? Is this okay, beta? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way here. Which one is red color, beta? Red color is hot air. What is red color? Hot air. This is land and this is sea. And this is cold air. So hot air rises from the sea during night time and the cold air from the land moves towards the sea. So what it becomes? Land breeze. Is this okay? It becomes land breeze. Right, beta? If you want to ask me any question, you can. Now we come to the third type of radiation. Say, beta,
Ma'am, can I continue?
you want to? You want to, beta?
Yes.
Good. I think you have improved. What do you say?
What, ma'am?
I said, I think you have improved. Do you find your improvement in reading?
Yes.
Yes, that's why you're enjoying. If I stop you, that means you need improvement, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I start? Radiation. It is a process of transfer of heat in the form of waves. Radiation doesn't require a medium. It can occur in vacuum too. For
Vacuum.
example,
Vacuum.
vacuum. For example, the sun's heat
Reaches.
reaches the Earth's surface through radiation. Every hot object radiates some heat into the environment, hence, many times an object gets heated just by being near to a hot object.
Hot it is, not hot. What do we say? Hot object. Say it again.
Hot object.
Hot, not
Hot.
hot. Open your mouth. Say hot.
Hot.
Got it now? Got the difference? How you were speaking before? You were saying hot. Right,
Hot.
beta? Hot.
Yes.
So this is how you will learn. Now let's come to radiation. What is this radiation? Heat in the form of waves. Sun rays, radiation. Your mama cooked the food, the gas stove, when it is on, it gives you radiation. Is this clear? So it does not require a medium. You should know that. It occurs in vacuum too. Now, what is vacuum? Vacuum is a place where there is no air. If I take you to vacuum, for example, we are in a room, right, beta? I'm taking a lecture of yours. Now, suddenly, someone takes out the air from the room. First of all, we will die because we need air for breathing purpose. You know that, right, beta? But a vacuum is created. Air is removed. As the air is removed, whatever I am speaking, you will not be able to hear it. You know that? Because we require a medium for my sound to travel to you. Then only you can hear my voice. Is this clear? Is this clear, Vita? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this clear? So what is vacuum? Vacuum is a condition when there is no air. Okay? So in vacuum also radiations reach. Okay? Example, the sun's ray, it reaches the earth's surface by what? By radiation. The sun is reaching us by the mechanism, by the phenomena which is known as radiation. And any hot object, for example, gas stove, your geyser, your what do you call this, hot plate, all this radiates heat into the environment. So if I'm standing near the stove, don't you think my hand will also get heated? Yes or no? If you're
Yes,
working in the
ma'am.
kitchen, you find that your hand has become hot. Don't you feel at times?
Yes.
Yes. Why? Because of the radiation. Because the heat is being radiated by the hot object, that is your gas stove, to the environment, and in the environment we are also standing to cook the food. So even we get heated up. What do you say? Because we are near to the hot object, right, Beta? It is radiating energy, isn't it? Radiating heat. And if you are on the side of it, even your hands will become warm. This is called as radiation. What it is called, Beta? Clear? Is it clear,
Radiation.
Beta?
Yes.
Hello?
Radiation.
We do radiation once again.
Yes.
Yes, who wanted to read, Beta?
Ma'am, can I?
Someone's asked for, no, someone asked me.
I'm Mahdi
Yes, who wanted to read?
I don't.
Give your name,
Can I
Beta.
Mahdi Sarajan?
What is sir?
Can I
Rajani.
Mahdi Sarajan? Yes.
Is that okay? You have to read properly without any mistakes, Beta. Then and then you read, please.
Yes, ma'am, I will try.
Okay, carry on.
Radiation. Radiation is the process by which heat is transferred from one place to another without the help of any medium. Example, the heat from the sun reaches the earth by radiation. When we sit near a fire, we feel warm due to the heat radiated by the fire.
Radiated.
All hot bodies radiate heat.
Heat radiated by the fire.
Radiated by the fire, all hot bodies radiate heat.
Now, you're not even waiting for the full stop. Why?
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, I told you, you have to be perfect with the small, small things that you have to take care. But you read it nicely. Don't worry, okay? But what I
Thank
want
you, ma'am.
you is that don't allow me to point out anything in your reading. Is it clear? To be perfect, okay? So what is this radiation? Heat is transferred from one place to other. Right, beta? You don't require any medium. It is just coming from one place to another. So from sun, there is sun, you know that far away from us, but still we are getting the radiation. Also, when you're sitting near the fire and maybe during winter, you can feel the warmth. Why? Because the heat is radiated from the hot object or from the fire. So you should always understand that whatever bodies, if it is a hot body, it will always radiate heat or the energy. What is heat, by the way? Heat is the energy. What is heat? Heat is the energy. Is it clear? It's clear, better? You can see sun.
Yes.
Radiation. What are these? And what is this? Earth. This is sun. Right, beta? Right? And this is like during winter, you are burnt. The radiation is going and it is warming your body. Is this clear? Modesta Rajani? Hello? Yes. Modesta Rajani? Is she there or gone?
She's left.
She's left. Okay. So who will read now? Who wants to read?
Ma'am, can I Humera?
Humera? Okay, beta.
Heat from the sun. You can feel the sun warm your skin on a sunny day. This is because the energy causes the particles in your skin to move faster. More heat energy.
Is equal to, which is equal to more heat energy. How you will read it out, beta? Which is equal to more heat energy. Is this clear? Is this clear, beta?
Yes,
So what is heat from the sun, by the way? When you are going out in the sun, don't you feel your skin become warm on a sunny day? You feel
ma'am,
hot,
your
right?
voice is too low.
Now, some net problem
Yes,
maybe is coming. It's sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's low. Since the first lecture it is happening, beta. So you just inform me, okay? Thank you, beta. Now is it fine? Is it breaking? Is it breaking, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
no, ma'am, it
So
is just low.
low. Okay. Now at home it's okay now. So let's continue. So whenever you're going out in a sunny day, you feel warm. Your skin is hot. Feel your skin to be hot, right, beta? Why? Because that heat